First, open your Gmail address. This is the address from which you want to send emails to multiple recipients, each with customized content. Now, open a new tab in the same browser and copy the link from the description. Then, open the copied link. I've already bookmarked it, so I just click on the bookmark. Scroll down and click Make a Copy to open the script. This action will open a new tab. Then, click Make a Copy again. This will open a sheet with some columns. I will delete any unnecessary columns, and you can set them according to your requirements. Now, remember that 2 columns are crucial, and do not alter the names of these 2 columns. The first column is recipient, and the second column is email sent. Please remember not to change their names. Delete any data that is not useful for us. I will change first name to username and last name to password, leaving the other columns unchanged. You can set the columns as needed according to your requirements. I will input some data to demonstrate. Now, go to your Gmail and compose a new email. Remember, to refer to a column from the Excel sheet, we use double curly brackets. Copy or type the recipient column name, then paste it between double curly brackets into the Compose Mail to option. You can write the subject as you prefer. If you want to make the subject dynamic, you can customize it by calling any value from the Excel sheet, just like we did with the recipient column. Now, compose the message as per your requirements. I will create mine according to my needs. Now, copy the subject you have written in the compose message. Now, click on Mail Merge and then click on Send Emails. Press Continue, and this will open a new window to confirm the Gmail account that will be used to send emails. You need to grant permission, so click on Allow to proceed. Once more, click on Mail Merge and then click on Send Emails. This will prompt you for the subject that we copied a few steps before. Paste the subject from your mail draft and click OK. When the emails are sent, the Email Sent column will be filled with the date and time. Congratulations! You have successfully sent emails to a bulk email address of up to 1,000 recipients. Go to your email and click on Sent. This is user C's data. This is user A's data. This is user B's data. I hope this video will be helpful for you in understanding how to use Mail Merge to send bulk email addresses, up to 1,000 recipients. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like the video.